Hi guys! Good morning or good evening to everyone. So, for today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-withdraw sa ating Popo app applications or yung Popo Live natin na ginagawa natin for earning apps. Para sa mga agent to, kasi yung user naman is talagang nawi-withdraw nila lahat yung kanilang mga points, 'di ba? Pagka nagwi-withdraw sila. So, lahat ng points nila ay nawi-withdraw nila. So, this is for the agents. Kasi, di ba sa agent, pag nagwi-withdraw tayo is by 10. So, by 10 po yung nawi-withdraw natin. Hindi tayo pwede mag-withdraw ng 10.5 or 10.6 or something. Basta may butal is bawal. So, yun na nga guys, dumating yung aking mga chikiting. So, maingay. So, ayan na nga. So, diba sa mga agent is nakakapag-withdraw lang tayo pero hindi natin nawi-withdraw yung butal. So, ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano natin wi-withdrawin yung butal para ma-withdraw natin lahat yung pera natin. Or yung points natin para maging pera lahat. So, ito na guys. Let's see this. So, ayan yung ating wi-withdrawin guys, which is 113,693 points. So, pagka withdraw natin yan, guys, ang lalabas na wi-withdrawin natin is, ayan, withdraw, 11. So, pagka agent ka, hindi mo mawi-withdraw yung 11.37. Ang mawi-withdraw mo lang dyan is yung $10 lang. Okay? Hindi mo mawi-withdraw yung buong yan. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano natin wi-withdrawin yung buong amount na yan para maging pera po siya. Okay. So, ayan na guys. Pinalitan ko lang muna yung link kasi yung link na nakalagay dyan is yung para sa change coins ko. So, wi-withdrawin natin siya guys. So, pindutin natin yung withdraw and then dito ilalagay natin is so, ayan. Pag nilagay natin dito guys yung 11.37 dahil agent account yan guys, hindi yan magpo-push through or hindi niya, ayan, nakalagay please enter and ganito ganyan. So, hindi niya tatanggapin yung ating withdrawal. So, ang gagawin mo dyan guys is ganito. Ilagay mo yung 0. So, 0 lang yung ilalagay mo dyan guys. And then submit, withdrawal amount, 0, and then confirm. Tapos, ilagay mo yung iyong password. Kung password ka. And then, tadaan! O, ayan, diba? Nasagad. At na-withdraw ko lahat yung aking mga points. So, ganun lang guys ang gagawin nyo. Ilalagay nyo lang 0 dun sa withdrawal nyo and then mawi-withdraw nyo lahat yung inyong points. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching!